Hey guys, we are going over quiz 1.06, Transformations, Part 1. And we are going to name the transformation we see in each picture. Alright, so let's look at this first one, the L's. Notice that when both images are facing each other as if they're in a mirror or reflected. So this is a reflection. Alright, now we have these two arrows. Now it couldn't have slid to get into this position, and they were not reflected. These were rotated, means they turn, and this was their center of rotation, so this is a rotation. Again, we have these two images that look like they're looking at each other in a reflection. So this is a reflection. These two arrows, the top one was slid down on top of the bottom one, or the bottom one was slid up. A slide is a translation. All right, once again, now these could have been two, your multiple choice. They're not going to try to trick you like this. It could have been a slide, but it also could be a rotation. Just depends. They're going to ask you and let you give each one. They're not going to try to trick you. But this could have been a rotation. I'm thinking maybe it couldn't have. Because if you rotated, then this, you rotated around. No, I don't think it could be a rotation. Well, these are similar though. So that could come back. But it's definitely a slide or translation. Like I said, your multiple choice can be more definitive. All right, now our L's seem to have rotated. Looks like a 90-degree angle, a quarter of a circle. And the only one where our image changes size is a dilation. And that's example 1.